So, ay kuya, unang investigation namin sa lodging here sa Bedouin in the area of Bibingay. So, first question is, nag-apply po ba kayo ng mga if yes, in what way positive or negative? If no, why?
No, not
So,
I have car.
okay.
So, hanip-silip ka lang.
Okay. So, second question is, tingin niyo po ba yung flooding affects the people around negatively or positively?
Yes, and negatively because they have a hard time getting to school.
Okay. Next, what do you think are the three, I think, primary actions that the government has to take in order to
Suspend
resolve?
classes.
Ganun sa rin yung tingin mo, saan mo bakit nagkaroon baha?
Great. Global warming.
Storms.
Storms.
Okay. Last question ako. In your own ways, ano po yung parang naikakontribute niyo para hindi na maulit yung mga ganung bahasa?
Recycle.
Okay, thank you.